What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here, back with a new video, and a question I get asked so many times, either by friends or family. Hey Shevon, what earbuds should I get? Obviously everyone is just saying AirPods Pro, blah blah blah, but there's so many other good earbuds, wireless earbuds out there that works just as fine as AirPods or even better for a lower price. So today we're going to look at two different kind of earbuds, the AirPods Pro, and also we have the Huawei FreeBuds 4i, which cost a fraction of the price of the AirPods Pro. But we're gonna dive into them, see which one suits you best, and also give my opinion for using these two devices for over a couple months. Probably the most convincing feature of Apple AirPods is that it's perfectly usable in everyday life. The earbuds are always charged, and thanks to the charging case, it's always comfortable in your pocket. Well, the Huawei FreeBuds 4i is in no way, shape, or form inferior to the AirPods Pro in that department. The charging case of the FreeBuds 4i is also a bit larger and rounder, but it still fits well in my pocket without feeling bulky. The AirPods Pro on the other side has a feature I really like, and that's wireless charging. As with the FreeBuds 4i, that feature is missing, but it's completely understandable since the AirPods Pro cost $249 while the FreeBuds 4i will only cost you $99, which to me is a deal and a half for what you're getting. Though I don't like the fact that Apple AirPods Pro using a lightning connector. While this makes sense for Apple users, this does dock points off the Apple AirPods for anyone not in the Apple ecosystem. On the other hand, the FreeBuds 4i uses a USB Type-C port for charging, which is basically the standard for charging at this point. Now, the FreeBuds 4i has an advantage over the AirPods Pro when it comes to battery life. With ANC activated, the battery will last over 7 hours. This is very impressive for such a small device. The Apple AirPods only has 4 hours of battery life with ANC enabled, which is sad to see. Both earbuds has noise cancelling, awareness mode, and as Apple calls it, transparency mode. The ANC in itself works very well on the FreeBuds 4i, but I personally think the AirPods Pro does a better job in this department. Same applies to like transparency mode and awareness mode, in which the ambient noise is mixed into the headphone signal so that you can hear better what's going on outside while listening to music at the same time. I think if you like Huawei products and want a better ANC support, you'd have to look at the more expensive option, which is the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. Now let's talk about comfort. Both earbuds are comfortable to wear for long hours. They both pass my shake test. So if you were to work out in either earbuds, you'd be completely fine. So this to me is an even draw. Okay, now on to sound quality. Sound is always subjective, but the most important thing to me when it comes on to any headphones or wireless earbuds, to me at least, is sound. First, the FreeBuds 4i, these are impressive in terms of audio quality as they have a warm and bass heavy oriented sound signature, all while still having clarity in the mids and highs. Overall, the FreeBuds 4i is a fun sounding pair of earbuds that are perfect for the type of music I listen to, which are pop, hip hop, R&B, and other bass heavy genres. In spite of this, the FreeBuds 4i is still versatile enough for other genres as well, so you don't have to worry there. The AirPods Pro, they sound really good as well. Apple AirPods flagship have more of a neutral sound signature, meaning they're a bit lighter on the bass, much like the FreeBuds. The AirPods Pro also has a good instrument separation. This neutral sound and good separation makes the AirPods Pro a nice choice for most genres. Though it's kind of flat, it still is not really boring for lovers of hip hop and pop like me. I think either way, you will not really notice any sound differences here. Now onto ANC. In terms of noise cancellation, both of the devices has ANC, but they're not equally quite the same. For one, the Huawei FreeBuds 4i has an effective ANC that blocks out outside noise as well, and it also has an awareness mode that enhances outside sounds for better environment awareness, helpful when you're out and about on the road. The AirPods Pro, meanwhile, also has good ANC, and to me, this is where the AirPods excels. The AirPods transparency mode feels more natural and clear in my opinion. So when talking, it feels like you don't even have the earbuds in. So you might be asking, Shevon, how do you control these things? As for controls, both earbuds has onboard controls, meaning that the AirPods Pro and the Huawei FreeBuds have touch controls to play, pause. They also have touch controls to turn on and off ANC. In my use case, the AirPod Pro had responsive controls, but the location of the touch controls is on the stem, which took some time to get used to. But overall though, I found the FreeBuds 4i controls to be the more intuitive thanks to the sensitive touch sensor that's responsive and it's placed well. Connectivity is also important when it comes on to wireless earbuds. The Huawei FreeBuds 4i is able to easily connect to both Android and iOS devices. During my time with it, I had no issues with the Bluetooth connection dropping. Plus, connecting to the FreeBuds 4i was really quick, easy, and hassle-free. Meanwhile, the AirPods Pro is also able to connect to iOS and Android devices as well. Though in my experience, the AirPods Pro Android connectivity is limited as you don't have access to other features that are just locked to iOS only, like auto switching and all that good stuff. This means that the AirPods Pro isn't really recommended for Android users because you're just paying for features you won't use, at least in terms of connectivity. So yeah, that's it for today's video. As you can see, the AirPods is more for like people who are trapped into that Apple ecosystem, whereas the Huawei FreeBuds 4i works well with either iPhone or Android. You still get the full usage, you still get all the full features. So at the end of the day, it's up to you. And if you're on a budget, I would definitely recommend the Huawei FreeBuds 4i as it's only $90, which is insane. So yeah, if you're interested in either of these, I'll leave links down below in the description for you guys to cop one. I also have 2 extra Huawei FreeBuds 4i right here. So if you guys would like to win one, all you have to do is just follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle right here, and also like this picture, and then boom, that's it. Just comment down below, make sure so I could see you guys' handle. Just tell me why you'd want to win one. You know what I'm saying? Tag a friend. That's all you guys have to do. But yeah, good luck to everyone. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.